The Edo State Police Command has arrested one Innocent Emoyon, a member of the notorious kidnap syndicate that abducted the spokesperson for the Nigerian Immigration Service in the state, Mrs. Bridget Esene. Two Fulani herdsmen identified as Baguba Usman and Yusuf Ishmaila were also arrested in connection with the abduction of Mrs. Esene and other victims. It was gathered that the kidnappers, said to be from the southern part of Nigeria, allegedly kidnapped people in Benin metropolis and sold them to Fulani herders in Aho Forest near Benin. The Immigration's public relations officer was abducted around a Kuniro area off Abo Road on Sunday morning, January 24th, on her way to church in Benin City. After her release, Esene narrated how she was abducted by the kidnappers and sold to another gang suspected to be Fulani herdsmen. Emoyon, 40 years old, said to be the professional driver of the gang, was arrested by operatives of the Anti-Kidnapping and Cybercrime Unit of the Police Command. It was learned that the police had in February arrested 4 members of the gang in their hideout in Aho Forest. However, Emoyon managed to escape. According to Standard Gazette, Emoyon was first arrested in 2016 for kidnapping but was acquitted by the court after spending 3 years in police custody. The case was dropped after the family and kidnapped victims refused to appear to give evidence in court. Speaking to newsmen, Emoyon revealed how they kidnapped the immigration spokesperson and other victims. He said, "I was the one who drove the car used in kidnapping the Edo immigration PRO and sold that to some Fulani herdsmen in Aho Forest. We also kidnapped a businesswoman along Lucky Way in Benin City, where we took her to the same forest after we destroyed her 2 mobile phones." He also confessed to kidnapping another businessman in Aduwawa, Benin City, and carjacking his Toyota Highlander SUV. When asked about the 4 other members of his gang, he said, "I heard that they were arrested. I quickly ran to Lagos so that they would not catch me. I was shocked that the police got me now." Following his confession, the Anti-Kidnapping and Cybercrime Unit raided the Aho Forest again on Wednesday, March 24th, and arrested Baguba Usman and Yusuf Ishmaila, who were named as accomplices to the several abductions. The police identified Baguba as one of the prisoners who escaped from the Edo Correctional Facility on October 19 during the EndSARS protest that was hijacked by hoodlums. Baguba confessed to have participated in several kidnappings since his escape from prison. The spokesperson for the command, SP Bello Kuntong, who confirmed the arrest of the suspect, said that the State Police Commissioner Philip Ogbadu has since called for more investigation into the series of kidnappings by the gang members.